Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, thank you. How do you feel today?
I feel great. I feel absolutely. How about you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Charlie. What is your name?
My name is Ming.
Nice to meet you, Ming.
Nice to see you. And how old are you?
I am 22 years old. How about you?
What do you think how old am I?
Ooh.
In this year?
7.
I'm
No.
saying 9.
It's in the last year, and in this year,
Oh, it's
year
10.
10.
yeah, in this year I will be 10 in
Nice.
September.
That is awesome.
Oh no.
Your English is very good.
Thank you, but your English is better than mine.
No, yours is very, very good. I think yours is better than mine.
And where are you from?
I'm from the United States, America.
Oh.
Yeah. Far away.
That's why you can speak English very
Yes.
good.
It's my first language. Yes. Yeah. Well, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to you too. And where are you going right now?
We're going to the pagoda. We're going to go see
Yeah.
the pagoda. And then tonight we're going to get some dinner after, and then I think maybe the bird park. So those 3 things. Yeah.
Oh, and there are 3 pagodas inside there.
Oh, really? Okay. Wow.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
you can climb the mountain here.
Oh, wow, there's a mountain you can climb. Wow.
Yeah.
That's really good view. Is there a good view?
Yeah, on the top of it is a good view.
Wow.
But can you go faster than? Can you go faster?
Yeah.
Because right now it's too dark. It's this places is finished. Is closed at half past
Oh,
4.
past 4. Okay, so it's closed in. Yes. 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you for the information.
And do you enjoy trip in Vietnam?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes, we love it. We went on the Ha Giang Loop, which was fantastic. We went to Hanoi. Absolutely love it. Very, very fun. Yeah, we've had a great time.
And where do you go after Ninh Bình?
After Ninh we're going to Ha Long Bay.
Long
and
Bay.
then what are we doing after that? We're doing
Hoi An.
Hoi An and Da Nang after that. Yeah.
How do you get there?
We're Ha Long Bay. We're taking a bus, and then to Da Nang and Hoi An we're flying, taking an airplane.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think I will talk with you faster than the last time I will talk with the people because
Yeah.
you have to take the time to come to inside. I
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Well, nice to meet you. Yeah.
think. Nice to see you. Now it's very dark.
Yeah.
And are you reading this?
Yes, we're reading this. Yes, it's very interesting.
It
Yeah.
does have, it's half English.
It has English. Yes. Thank you.
I would think it's just have Vietnamese.
Yes. Yeah. And then it does. It's glad they have English so we can read it and learn all about the country.
Oh.
It's nice.
How did you get to this place?
This place we took a sleeper bus. We took a sleeper
Oh.
bus overnight, last night actually. So we got here at 3 in the morning, really early. And then we went to sleep for another 3 or 4 hours after.
I mean, you go to this place.
On the bike. Tam Kok, we bike. We've been biking around on a bike.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's from your hotel?
Yes, from our hotel.
Oh.
Yes, yeah.
What color is that bike?
Ooh, it's a
Right?
gray bike. Yeah, gray bike. Yeah,
Oh, I see.
yeah, kind of black and gray.
Is that good bike?
It's a good bike. Yeah, it has a basket on it, so you can put your stuff in the basket.
Yeah.
It's got a bell and it's got good brakes too. So yeah, good bike for sure. Yeah.